Let's see now how you can acquire your items from the site. First of all, you've got to log in, and then you've got to click on My Account menu over here. My Account page will pop up. On the left side, you can see the Downloads button. Click on it. Now, you will see a list of all the items you have acquired into the site, and to the right side you will see a button to download them. Just click on this button and the Save As menu will pop up in order to save your product whenever you want. The second way is through the product page itself. As you can see here, I've got the MikeD Sweet Delight Expressions product, and I've got the product page over here in another tab. Now, as long as I am logged in, you can see that I've got the button to download the item. Click on this button, and again the Save As dialog will pop up in order to save your product.